This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Confirm the target PC's IP or hostname and a valid user account with password. Once done, enable remote desktop in system settings and allow it for your account. Make sure the target firewall has port 3389 open for remote desktop and that the machine's network profile is appropriate. If you need NAT or public access, note the public IP or configure port forwarding on the router before proceeding to the client connection step. Next, configure your client and network to make the connection. Open your remote desktop client, enter the target IP or hostname and the username, then choose to save credentials securely if you'll reconnect frequently. If the target is on a private network, connect via corporate VPN or set up router port forwarding and confirm NAT rules. Make sure encryption and network-level authentication are enabled on both sides to protect credentials. Once the client settings are correct, initiate the connection and watch for prompts to accept the remote certificate. Finally, complete the connection and verify functionality. When prompted, accept the remote certificate after confirming identity, then set display resolution and enable resource redirection like clipboard or drives as needed. Test copy/paste and printer redirection and adjust performance settings if the session is lagging. If the connection fails, check basic network reachability with ping. Confirm port 3389 is open and forwarded. Ensure VPN is connected if required, and verify the user has remote desktop permission. This single check resolves many failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.